Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Marukh and let's talk about a really important disease that we'll be facing this winter called scabies. Scabies, previously known as 7-year itch, is a contagious skin manifestation caused by a mite. The symptom includes severe itch, skin rash and tiny burrows on the skin that are occasionally seen on the skin. It is usually seen all over the body but mainly on the skin webs, wrist, finger webs, elbows, joints and above the waistline. But in general, the rash looks like mosquito bite. It is commonly seen in tropical areas and where it rains every now and then, and also seen in crowded places like prisons, group homes, hostel and daycare centers. Now how to prevent it? You can prevent it by not coming in contact with the infected person. Yes, if you came in contact with the infected person for like 10 minutes, you can get scabies too. Other than that, you can take showers regularly, you can wear dry and clean clothes, wash your clothes and your bed sheets regularly, wash them with hot water, dry them in sunlight or hot dryers. But even after taking all those measures, you get infected, go to your doctor immediately and get a proper treatment because it can affect you and the people living around you. So next time you feel a constant itch, go to your doctor and get a proper treatment, especially in winters. Thank you.